personnel up there looking for a man who is reportedly walking on the train tracks. San Mateo police on scene walking up there on the train tracks looking for a man who was reportedly walking in the middle of the train tracks near 41st Avenue. So you can see multiple police up there searching, and there's also some police right here, and 3 police units back there. And there's also a police motorcycle which is going up and down the street searching. Sheriff is also en route. So they have sheriff. Oh, here comes the motorcycle. Right there. So police are searching for someone who they said reporting party advised that they were on the train tracks over 41st Avenue in the middle of the train tracks. You can see there goes San Mateo police motorcycle. Anthony G13 live at the scene where you can currently see 3 police units on the scene next to the train tracks. You can see they're talking to someone on the train tracks up there. There's someone up there on the train tracks. And they're talking to him. You can see he's in the train tracks right there. He's walking on the train tracks. Police have found him. I know. So as you can see, the man is fighting the police right now. You can see he's fighting the police. Police are detaining the suspect right now, and they are fighting with him. As you can see, police are detaining the man. He is fighting with the police right now, not wanting to be detained. He is fighting with the police, and I could hear him yelling. More police units being called to the scene right now. Sheriff is en route. But as you can see, police are attempting to detain the suspect who is not cooperating with police orders. He's yelling.
They're still trying to get him in custody.
Okay, I could hear. I think they got him in handcuffs. More units en route.
Anyone, we have one detained. Just confirm we have a supervisor now.
So they have him in custody right now. As you can see, officers were struggling to detain him. He was fighting with the officers as they tried to detain him up there. Multiple police units on scene. More units helping. Officers helping up there. And officers over there attempting to detain the man. They have got him in handcuffs. He is in police custody. More units helping there right there. We're reporting live Anthony G in San Mateo, where police were struggling to detain a man. More units coming to assist with the situation. So basically up there, they have him on the ground of the train tracks. So basically, as we saw earlier, the man was very violent with the officers. They have him in custody now. They were struggling to get him into custody. Sheriff is en route to assist. Sheriff's en route to assist with the situation. More San Mateo police are also en route to assist, but the man is resisting arrest. Looks like they got him in custody now. Yeah, looks like they have him in custody now. You can see there's even more officers coming to help them now. and multiple units down there. And you can see they're taking him in custody right now. So they're gonna detain the guy. He was walking on the train tracks. Sheriff is en route. You can see more police up there. The man is arguing with the officers right now. He was resisting arrest. More San Mateo PD up here coming to assist. Sheriff is also en route. Supervisor arriving on scene. But yeah, that's the man right there. They have him in custody. He was resisting arrest. Officers were struggling to get him into custody, but as you can see, multiple police units on scene here. They're taking the man down from the train tracks. Suspect is in custody. Transit police from San Mateo County Sheriff's is en route. You can see he does not want to be detained. He was resisting arrest. Officers were struggling to detain him. More officers now arriving, including the supervisor. We also do have sheriff en route. They're trying to get him down from the train tracks. As you can see, the supervisor has arrived. But yeah, suspect is in custody after a struggle with officers. You can see he was fighting aggressively with the officers. Transit police en route. This officer seems to be leaving. A lot of police though on scene. They're running from officers on train tracks. So this was called in by a passerby, stating that he was, the reporting party was stating that he was on the train tracks. You can see police now have him in custody. Situation seems to be under control by San Mateo police. Transit police is still en route, I believe. They may not be en route actually, but I'm pretty sure they are. But as you can see, they have him in custody on the side of the train tracks here. Multiple police units on scene. I think he's going to be taken into police custody though. Medics may check him out just to make sure he's okay. But reporting live, Anthony G13, San Mateo. So Anthony G13 live once again. We can see lots of San Mateo police still on scene. So you can see there's units still here. Fire is arriving on scene, code 2. From San Mateo Consolidated Fire, engine 14 arriving. Just to check out the suspect, make sure he's okay. PD on scene. Police currently on scene right now. Fire's on scene now. Medics. Doing a quick evaluation on him. But yeah, situation seems to be under control by San Mateo Police and San Mateo Consolidated Fire Department. Man's in custody. Fire on scene now. Police on scene now. Situation seems to be under control. Medics are doing a quick evaluation. Police have him in custody. He's either going to be taken to the hospital or in police custody. Pretty sure. But reporting live, Anthony G13 in San Mateo at the scene, where a man has been arrested after resisting arrest and a struggle with officers.